Hello friends, here I am going to explain how to create a test paper on Google Form. So let us start. First of all, you have to select a Google Form from your Google Drive. Now write the title name, then then class, date. Now the student's name, then this is short answer text. The section that also should be short answer text. Now next, place for question. So see here, if you will have the question set in Word format, so that will be easier to copy and paste the question and the option MCQ type of questions. So see how it is done very simply. The question copied, then the option copied, and here one by one 10 question has been done to make you clear the proper question formation. Everything will be clearly displayed. See, as the serial number is given in the Word format, that serial number simply will go along with the question in that Google form also. Just you have to copy and paste questions and their options. The options should be in a column only. In single column, options will be easily pasted without any problem. If extra enter is placed, so that will get one extra place, so you remove it. Here you can see easily that one by one step has been displayed and explained, so that there should not be any kind of confusion while making a question paper of MCQ type on Google Form. As you have typed on the Word format, Word, see, Similarly, that will go to Google Form. Now all the questions have been copied. Now we need to do some settings. So let us see. So make this question paper as quiz. No change here required. Presentation. Show the link to submit another response. This uncheck it because only one response required, and so progress bar should be checked. In general category, limit to one response, then it will require the sign in Google by the candidate. Now save it. Now see, now answer key option has come. So here as answer is already displayed in Word format, so from there you can easily get the answers and points you have to give. How many points will be given to each questions. Now point and then done. Here one correction was required. Now see, directly it will not take. Now see the points and then done. So each step is explained here, shown here, so that you should not have any kind of confusion. Point should not forget. As in different questions, you will, as in different questions, you will give points. That points will be visible here. The total points. See how the total point changed from 6 to 7. Again 1 point increased, 7 to 8. Click on answer key, then only you will be giving options. Now done. So required, all these you have to check required so that students should not skip any question. Compulsory answer all the questions. Now you can change, see the view of your Google form. How will it look? See, all the questions are having their points. Now close this, the previous form. So this also should be required. Month, you just click the monthly test untitled will change. Now your color, you can change the color scheme, which color background you want. Now here add-on you have to download. Install means install if it is not there in your Google form. So it is a form limiter. First you should install if it is not there, and if it is installed, now set time limit. See, your time limit option will be given by this form limiter. Select date and time. Now select the date, select the time. This time is the end of the Google form question. Okay, whatever time will be given here in the time limiter, that will be the end time, means exam over time. So it is just stopping. It is like just stop watch. Okay, that now you want to stop, this will automatically stop the exam or test. So this way it is very much helpful, and as and when you require to give the question, you can give share the link by send option. Now here share link, shorten URL you get here, so that smaller link you get. Now copy it, and if you want to keep it saved, so you can paste on a Word format, or directly you can send it to your WhatsApp group wherever you want to share the question paper. And after a short duration it will show that yes, this is the Google form monthly test, and now you can send it. So this was all about. Thank you.